Are you looking for a place to ease into your UK adventure? Say hello to Alma Place, your cozy heaven nestled right in the heart of Belfast. Whether you prefer the company of flatmates in the ensuite rooms or crave the independence of a studio, this property has you covered. Each room boasts a comfy bed, underbed storage, a wardrobe, and a personal workspace. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a fully fitted kitchen to unleash your inner chef. When you step outside your room, you'll find a wide range of amenities to make your stay more fun. Stretch some muscles at the yoga center or head over to the gym for a heavy workout. Kick back and relax in the lounge area with your friends or head over to the karaoke room to sing your favorite songs. Ultra-fast Wi-Fi, cleaning services, and 24/7 CCTV surveillance are all part of the package. Additionally, with Ulster University Belfast Campus and Queen's University Belfast just under 10 minutes away, your academic journey is well within reach. And when it's time for some fun, the city center is a mere 9 minutes away, ensuring you're right in the middle of all the action. Alma Place is everything you need and more. Visit amberstudent.com to book your room today.